Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers. So this is a Maths Olympiad challenge. This is a question from previous year, AIME question. The equation 2 raised to the power 333x minus 2 plus 2 raised to the power 111x plus 2 equals to 2 raised to the power 222x plus 1 has 3 real roots. Given that the sum is m over n, where m and n are relatively prime positive integers, find m plus n. So to make a relation among them, let us take y is equals to 111x. Then 333x will be 3y and 222x will be twice y. So the whole equation can be written as 2 raised to the power 3y minus 2 plus 2 raised to the power y plus 2 and equals to 2 raised to the power twice y plus 1 plus 1. So again this can be written in form of 2 to the power 3y over 2 to the power 2, that is 4, plus this is 2 power 2 is 4 into 2 to the power y equals to 2y is 2 to the power 2y plus 1. Now since x is real, y which is equals to 111x is also real. So 2 to the power y is also real. So let u equals to 2 to the power y. Then writing the equation in u, it will be u cube by 4 or 1 by 4 u cube plus 4 u equals to 2 u square plus 1, or this is same as 1 by 4 u cube minus 2 u square plus 4 u plus minus 1 equals to 0, or this can be written as u cube minus 8 u square plus 16 u minus 4 is 0. So this is a cubic equation. So cubic equation has 3 roots. So we can write as u1, u2, u3, and from the Vieta rule we know that u1 into u2 into u3 equals to negative d by a, when the equation is ax is u cube plus b u square plus c u plus d. So u1, u2, u3 equals to d is minus 4 here, so 4 and a is 1, so this will be 1. Now in the equation, previous equation, now u1 can be written as 2 to the power 11x1, u2, because again x has 3 roots, x1, x2, x3, 2 to the power 111x2, and u3 equals to 2 to the power 111x3. where original equation has roots x1, x2, x3 and all are real. So placing this x1, x2, x3 in place of u1, u2, u3 will get 2 to the power 111 x1 into 2 to the power 111 x2, 2 to the power 111 x3 equals to 4. Now on simplifying 2 to the power taking 111 common, I'll get to x1 plus x2 plus x3 equals to 4 means 2 to the power 2. Now comparing the exponent because they have the same base, you can write 111 x1 plus x2 plus x3 equals to 2. So x1 plus x2 plus x3 equals to 2 over 111. And it is written that their sum is m by n and we have to get m plus n. So this is m over n. That means m equals to 2 and n equals to 111. So m plus n equals to 111 plus 2, that is 113. So this is answer. Thank you for watching. Please keep on watching.